at Downeast Creations in the town of Millbridge along the Bold Coast of Maine. Today's video, we're going to complete the construction of the 24-inch wide base cabinets that are going into my miter box station. These two right here, side by side. The video will show you how they went together, pretty much the same as last week's video when I did the 36-inch wide cabinet, which is further down to the right of the miter saw. And there are free plans available. The only real difference other than the size is during construction my draw slides arrived and from UPS, and they finally came in. I was waiting for them. You didn't see them on the other cabinet because I was still waiting for them. So I got 10 of these, a pair of 10. 10 pairs for $61, something like that on Amazon. So not a bad deal. In addition to the cabinets, I installed them, and as you can see, I added the tops to the miter saw station, and in fact I put the intermediate countertop between the cabinets in place and mounted the miter saw and got it all adjusted. So now I'm using the miter saw to complete the build, and right now I'm in the middle of making draws. So next week's video you'll probably see the draws being made and installed. So the free plans are available. The link is in the description below the video. The dimensions are both imperial and metric, so my metric friends can follow along. If they want to build this, they can too. And I hope you enjoy the video. Please remember to subscribe and like and share my videos. I appreciate it. And when you do become a subscriber, you're automatically entered in my random drawing giveaways. And there's a big one coming up now. The next milestone is 500 subscribers, and I'm only a few subscribers away from reaching that. So that could happen this weekend. So thanks again for watching. This just came by from the post office. I ordered my 22-inch draw slides through Amazon from a company called, I think it's Zeta Fasteners. And these are ProMark 22-inch draw slides. And I ordered them as a pack of 10. It was only about 60 bucks, 61, something like that. And let's get a look and see what they look like. And I can start building draws now. Oh yeah, here we go. These supposedly have a 100-pound rating, and these are the ball bearing slides with a zinc finish. 10 pairs, $61. Not too bad. And the company, this isn't part of the Amazon Prime program. They come right from the company that sells them. But they offer free shipping, and they sent them to me via priority mail, and only took like maybe an extra couple of days than it would have if it was Prime. And no, I'm not sponsored by them or by Amazon, and I don't even have the link. I don't remember where it was, but you can look it up easy enough if you're interested. And they make them in other sizes if you want 24-inch or 20-inch or 18, 16, and so forth. But, yep, they look like they're going to do the job.